This is a quick startup to power up your HX Nitro and to do your first print test. To start, you need to connect the power source to HX Nitro. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Since the ink cartridge is not inserted yet, the beacon will create a beeping sound as a warning signal. To mute the beeping sound, you need to press the print on button. Once HX Nitro is powered on, proceed to your tablet and connect it to HX Nitro Wi-Fi. From here, you can access HX Manager and check ink cartridge configuration. To verify the Wi-Fi username, check your ID number on the controller's OLED display. Once it is verified, connect the tablet to the Wi-Fi network by typing in the default password 1234567889. You can change this password later if you wish to. At this point, we need to access HX Manager to check the ink configurations. There are two ways to access HX Manager. First is to open Vanguard Create, and second is to open it from any browser. Accessing HX Manager via Vanguard Create. You need to open and launch Vanguard Create software. Click the Welcome display to start and proceed to Home. Under the Home panel, click the HX setting to open HX Manager. HX Manager will load. Accessing HX Manager using any browser. You can open any browser and type this IP address, 192.168.5.1. Once HX Manager page is loaded, you need to proceed to Advanced Setting page. The Advanced Setting page is found at the right corner of the HX Manager main page. Now check the ink configurations. Here's the correct configuration for HX Chrome Plast ink. The same configuration is also found in the ink printed label. When this is done, you need to insert the ink in the controller. However, before inserting the ink, it is important to know that you need to avoid pushing the ink with your finger. The images below are examples of what you need to avoid, as it may cause damage to the cartridge pads. When the cartridge is inserted, you will notice that the beacon will turn from red to green and the beeping sound will be off. At this point, you can start the print testing using a blank paper. Press the print test button and hover the paper in front of the printer. Congratulations, you just made your first print test. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.